Are you seeing the sticky goodness? It's also incredibly versatile. So sticky. Here it comes. Gotcha! Look at this wonder! So squishy. Here.
What am I supposed to do with this? Wait, I know.
Ooh.
Check this out.
Yikes. How'd you get that in there? That's pretty crazy. How are you doing that? It fits so perfectly.
I know. Now for this big boy.
No! Bad idea!
Please. I can make it work. See? A little tight, though.
Come on, don't poke through! Don't do it!
Oops!
I knew that would happen. Now it's ruined.
That's what you think. Wait, the fun's over?
I guess so. Huh? Did I fall asleep? Wait, was that all a dream?
I don't know what you're talking about. Aw, check this out.
She's so beautiful. Just look at her. Hey! No, you guys!
Everyone's so rude. Look what they did. You used to be pink.
Hey, I bet I can fix this. Now, let's see what I can do. Plastic to the rescue. I can draw on this stuff, right? I'll just trace my good old friend Stitch here. Aw, so cute. But he could use a little color. See? Now he's really coming alive. If this won't cheer her up, what will? There! Extra plastic, be gone! And for a little extra pizzazz, a keyring! Aw, so lovely. The perfect gift. Well, here goes nothing. Enjoy your new home, Stitch.
What was that? Did you do this? He's perfect!
I thought you'd like it.
I love it!
Best day ever. The best notebook cover wins.
I've got this in the bag. Can't go wrong with hearts. What's all that?
Just the smartest animal in the ocean. Whales, baby!
Did you make that sticker?
My goodness!
Suddenly my hearts aren't so exciting. Can I have a sticker?
I'm all out.
Seriously?
Don't be mad!
Ugh!
Huh? What happened? Well? No way!
Yes, Way. Things are getting crazy. And a little wild. But first, a little drawing. They do say diamonds are a girl's best friend. And I'm practically a queen. Fully deserving of sparkling jewels. Real bling bling, baby. I feel richer already. Check out this jewel. Nothing but glitz and glamour, folks. Move over, boring hearts. This notebook's getting interesting. Really interesting. Don't you think?
Hand him over.
Well, what do you think?
Hearts? Oh, please. Now this is some art.
Yes, I knew it!
I've got you, girl. Handmade's the way to go.
Like and subscribe for more great videos.
Madison is gonna love this. It'll be so romantic. Hey, Madison. I have something for you.
What? No way! It's beautiful!
Not as beautiful as you. Wow. It's gonna be amazing. I'll put it into the box. I don't want to lose it. Everything's ready. I'll put it in my bag, and then I can go. Let's do this. It's gonna be the best day. I can't wait to see Madison's face. Nothing can ruin this. I've planned it all out.
Alex, you're here! I'm so happy to see you.
I have something special for you. Where is it? Just give me a second. It's in here somewhere. At least I hope it is.
This is so exciting!
Hold on. Come on. This can't be happening!
Are you okay?
I've lost your gift. Hold on.
What's wrong? Are you okay, Alex?
Wow! I know how to fix this! That butterfly has inspired me. I'll place a sheet of plastic over this drawing. I'll use tape to hold it in place. Then I'll trace over it with a 3D pen. I'll start with the outline. So far so good. That's the wing done. Now I can add the details. I'll create small loops with the pen. Then I'll fill in the rest. Just like this. That looks great. Next I'll draw the body. Well, half of it. Next I'll attach it to a chain. Then I can do the other side. These earrings are for you.
What? Really? I love them, Alex. They're so pretty. I'm gonna wear them right now.
Phew. I did it.
I can't believe you did this. It's the best gift ever. Thanks so much.
Anything for you.
Alright, time to decorate my Crocs. These circles are turning out great. I'm gonna switch colors now. It's gonna be so colorful. Beautiful! And now for the fun part. Yes! Look how amazing that is! Oh wow! The weather's turning. It's getting really stormy. Ah! My hat! Get back here! Whee! This is the best hat trip ever! Aw, I don't think my hat's coming back. Well, at least I got my grocery shopping done. I'll cut up this watermelon. Ooh, look at that bright color. It smells so fresh. Huh, I think I've got a good idea. I'll flip this melon over and use my 3D pen. Just draw a line down the rind and onto the table. There, I did it around the whole slice. And now I'll start to fill in the triangles. I love filling in shapes. It's so fun. There we go. I've covered the whole shape. Time for some pretty decorations. There we go. And I'm done. Yay! The melon helped me make a new hat. Oh, it's so cute! I love it!
Alright, you pass. Go on through. Have a good time. Oh no. This won't work at all. Didn't you see the signs? Our dress code means you need to wear a dress. You'll have to leave. Go on.
Ugh, what a bummer! I didn't know. Now what am I gonna do? Hey! My 3D pen! Yep, I think this can solve my problem. Oof, this is a lot of hard work. And now a ribbon to finish it off. Yes! Now that's a dress! Excuse me, I'm back.
Whoa! How did you do that? Well, alright. Looks like you meet the dress code now. Enjoy the rest of your time.
Wow! Your dress is so cool! Thanks! I made it myself. This is such a great club! Time to do some cleaning. Hey, wait a second. Oh no! All my stuff is messed up! I should check my jewelry box, too. Oh, this is a super tangled mess. Guess I'd better get untangling. Hey! How's it going? Not fun. My jewelry is all messed up. Oh, bummer. Well, I can at least keep you company. Hey, hold your hand like this for me. Thanks. Now I can hang these on your fingers. Wow, you have a lot of jewelry. I think you need some better organization. Time for the 3D pen. I'll start by drawing an oval. And then I'll just add layers to build it up. Back and forth and back and forth. Okay, good. And now for some circles on the top. Gotta build those up, too. Just keep spinning. Good! That one's done. Now to finish the second one. There we go. The last finger is done. Wow! That hand turned out great! Hey! Look what I made you! Look, see? Your jewelry can stay organized. Wow! That's amazing! I can put all my jewelry here! This is so fun, too! So much better!
What? I left them at home? Aw, these are so 5 years ago. But they're better than nothing. Whoa, did you rob a museum or something? And that's the end of that. My special pan! A couple squirts and I'll have a new pair of pods. See? That's more like it. This music sure sounds great. Just another pan hack. These nails are buffed. That sounds good. Who needs a salon anyway? Aw, I do apparently. Such a klutz. Aw, man. This polish isn't coming off. Get off! Still there? Time to bring in the big guns. Now we're talking. Whoa! This is hopeless. Is this even salvageable? Maybe I just have to get creative. Let's get crafty. I'll make my own new case with this handy glue pen. Is this looking like a case yet? Don't forget the sides. You can use any color you want. Ooh, this one matches my outfit. What's up, girl? Oh, I'm so winning here. Time for a little break. Staring at screens make me sleepy. Oh, yeah. Interesting. Oh! What was that? It wasn't the cat, was it? Madison's glasses! Oh, she's so gonna kill me. Aw, me and my big old butt. On second thought, this band ought to fix things. First, outline the lens like this, then pull it off the edge. Keep going until you go all the way around. Look familiar? Now all you have to do is connect them. Now for the earpieces. And you're done! Looks pretty brilliant to me. Easy. Easy. Whew, that was close. They're just your size. Huh? Did I sleep with my glasses on? Oh god. Huh? That's weird. Phew. Nailed it. Whoa! Look at all this gorgeous stuff! This butterfly is so me. But why stop there? I mean, what are fingers for, right? Oh, you look seriously awesome. But what about me? I made this little guy myself. Meh. This makes more of a statement. Maybe too much. Could this work? Why do I even try? Wait a second. I got it! Of course! See this heart? Outline it with your glue pen. I chose red. Now color it in. The crown's up next. Fit for a queen, I suppose. Aw, how adorable is this flower? You can use different colors if you want. Let's fill in those petals. Perfection. Wondering what that is? It's the part that goes around your finger. Now, remember the heart you made? Put a glob of glue here and stick the ring on top. Look at you, making jewelry. So adorable. Can you believe this? 4 handmade rings, baby. Huh? Where'd she get those? Gimme! These are one of a kind, huh? Oh, can I try this one? Oh, I love it! Ring sisters!
What's your favorite craft? Let us know in the comments. Remember to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.